I cannot stress this enough. Collaborate. Bring experts to the topics. You sell houses, you help buyers. Bring lenders. Bring your lender friend. Put them in the spotlight in the hot seat. Ask them questions about real life situations, about real struggle, about what people is facing, about their community, the rules, restrictions, and problems they know first-time home buyers are facing. You selling houses, bring people that's insurance. Because you buy a property, you need to insure the property to avoid major problems in the future. Even worse when you live in places that you know there's hurricanes, storms hitting all the time, earthquakes, stuff like that. You need to educate people, leverage other people's knowledge so you can bring it and people will enjoy watching your content. Bring value, bring experts, collaborate.